Hey everyone, welcome back to another Fred tutorial. My name's Josh, and today I'm going to show you how to create a scatter model using a BSDF text file. So to do this, we're going to mouse over the Tools folder. We're going to mouse over BSDF Data Fitting and select Binomial/Polynomial Data Fitting. Once here to start, what we're going to do is select our BSDF file. I already have a file made up for diffuse black. I'm going to select Open. And from here, for our diffuse black file, what we're going to do is change the type to diffuse. We're then going to change it to regression fit, and we're going to set the parameters for our n and m to be from 2 to 3. Now, after we've done that, what we can do is create a perform fit, and what this does is creates multiple plots for each of our defined parameters. And all we're going to do is we're going to right-click on these, which is going to open up a plot for us that is showing us the behavior of our BSDF function at each individual angle. Once we found a plot that we like, what we're going to do is we're going to keep it highlighted, and then we're going to come down here to the left, and we're going to select Create Model. Now we can close all these out, and what we can see here is a fitted binomial model 3. So this is the fitted model that we just made using our BSDF data file. And right-clicking on the new scatter plot allows us to see all the different ways that we can plot it. So for this example, I will select Angle Linear, and here you can see the behavior at each angle. And there you go. As always, CBS is here to help support all Fred users, and keep an eye out for more helpful content just like this.